close to me. If I tend to look dazed, I read it someplace. I've got cause to be. There's a name for it. There's a phrase that fits. But whatever the reason, you do it for me. Oh, what's love got to do? It's got to do it. What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do? It's got to do it. Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? But I have to say, I've been thinking about my own protection. It scares me to feel this way. Oh, what's love got to do? It's got to do with it. What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do? It's got to do with it. Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? What's got to do? It's got to do with it. What's love?
Tina Turner at What's Love Got to Do With It, just gone 14 minutes to 6 o'clock. Now imagine this if you can. Imagine driving your first thing 14,000 miles. No, I can't do that. And you're doing it in a character-inspired car. From a big film, all in the name of charity though. Well, it's exactly what a group of Preston mechanics are going to be doing for Macmillan Cancer Research. Now the team have transformed a £60 Ford Focus into a Minion character, and they're going to drive it to Benidorm next month. BBC Radio Lancashire, Miss Mindosha has been off to see it.
They're tiny, they're yellow, and they talk absolute gibberish. Yes, I'm talking about Minions.
Ba 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 na na. Ba 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 na na.
They've brought nothing but joy and laughter to children across the world, and to be honest, whether you admit it or not, to quite a few adults too, including a team of mechanics from Preston and Garstang. Todd Chamel, the owner of Breakfit Garage in Preston, along with his 3 friends,